Siyanibingelela ke bazalwane. My name is Enigma, brother Enigma. Mina, I'm not a prophet, I'm not a pastor. I always tell abazalwane ngikhuluma nabo kuma WhatsApp, I am not a pastor, ngisumfundisi. Ya, ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu, ngumntwana wakaNkulunkulu. So ke bazalwane, today sizofunda kuJeremiah before ngizocala indaba zasezogwini nasezulwini. Sifunda kuJeremiah 43 verse 2. IBhayibheli ithi uNkulunkulu bekathume uJeremiah kubantwana bakaIsrael ayobatshela ukuthi bangayi eEgypt, bangayi. Angithi bakhiphile eEgypt, so bona bafuna ukubuyela ezonweni. So the Lord has sent Jeremiah to warn them not to go back to Egypt. So bona uma uJeremiah abatshela. The book of Jeremiah chapter 43 verse 2. Ithi uJeremiah makakhuluma nabantwana bakaIsrael ukuthi bangayi lapho. Kunabantu abahlakaniphile aboclever balapho. Abantwana bakaIsrael batshela umprofita Jeremiah ukuthi unamanga. iBhayibheli isho kanjalo. Jeremiah 43 verse 2. Ithi abantwana bakaIsrael mabeza umprofita Jeremiah bathi kuye, you are lying. The Lord did not send you to us to tell us not to go to Egypt. You are lying. So nami ke mina ngubrother Enigma sengikhulume nabazalwane abaningi emabandleni wabo. Siyabatshela ukuthi uJesu uthi bayeke lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Uma siqeda ukuphana ngemessage bona mabahlangene abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bathi sinamanga, bathi ubrother Enigma unamanga. uNkulunkulu akasonga kanjalo. Bathi uNkulunkulu ubheka inhliziyo. Kanti uJesu mina ngimzwile. Angithi bekakhuluma nami uthi go and tell them, I always hear them when they say the Lord looks into the heart. Usho kanjalo uJesu athi it is written in his book, in the Bible, ukuthi yena uhlala ngasenhliziyweni zabazalwane abantwana bakhe. Because the book of Revelation chapter 3 ithi, I am standing by your door. Open the door, then I will come in. Welcome me into your house, and I will remain and stay with you. Ngizohlala nawe, that means ngizohlala enhliziyweni yakho, then I will know your heart. Everything ozoyicabanga uNkulunkulu uzoyazi ngoba ungaphakathi enhliziyweni yakho. Kodwa iBhayibheli ithi iBhayibheli masifunda uNkulunkulu uthi nina nokukhanya. Injalo ngesizulu, you are the light of the world.
Injalo
ngesizulu wena ukukhanya, wena you are the light. So ukuthi abantu emhlabeni babone the light to you, abayiboni enhliziyweni abantu. Angithi abantu bakubheka ngaphandle babona wena, angithi so bakubona ngaphandle ukuthi uwuye lo and uphila obungcwele ngempela umntana kaNkulunkulu. Bakubheka bakubone babakubhekile. Angeke bakhona ukubona inhliziyo ibona uNkulunkulu. So usho kanjalo athi I said to you, you are the light of the world. So let the people see the light on you. Live a holy life. Always be in holiness, so that the people will see holiness in you, and holiness will attract them. So they will come close to you and they will ask you, how can I be with you? So when was abazela ukuthi sengisindisile sengihamba noJesu, that's why ngiphendukile sengiphila kanje. So people will be attracted to you by the holy life that you live. Kodwa abazalwa abantu angeke baphenduke basindise bakubhekile kodwa wena uphila impilo yakudala and wena uthi usindisile. Once usindiswa phenduka, live a holy life so that the world will see holiness and the light of the Lord, and the light of the Lord that is in you will attract them to come to the Lord that you are worshiping. Right. The name Enigma.
Yeah.
The name Enigma comes from the Lord Jesus.
Okay.
Yes, he gave me this name to deliver his message.
Is your real name or is not your real name?
No, that's not my name. But I can't say my name on air.
Oh.
Yeah, but I have my own name.
Okay.
Enigma is the name of the Lord that he gave me to convey his messages. Yes. Brother Enigma.
Okay. You said Bible schools are people not supposed to go to Bible schools.
Yes, the Lord Jesus akafuna inceku zakhe ziyofunda eBible school, because Bible school kunomoya wakhona ofundisayo, and then kunamatitshere lapho uJesu uyazi ukuthi bakhethwe by the kingdom of darkness, kodwa the whole world abayazi. uJesu uthi yena, he himself and his own spirit bafundisa inceku zakhe, abantwana bakhe bafundiswa uye. Once bafunda iBible, yena umoya engcwele uyabateacha ukuthi ithini le verse, so that wena uzokhona ukuphila in that way. Ufundiswa yizwi by reading the Bible, hayi ukuthi uye eBible school. Bible school inendlela yayo efundisa abantu, so akusindlela leNkulunkulu ayifunayo. That's why uJesu uthi abafundisi abaningi bayashumayela kodwa yena akabathumanga ukuthi bayoshumayela. That's why bashumayela ngendlela yabo, not indlela yakhe. That's why abantu abaningi bagcwele esontweni kodwa abaphenduki, because abafundiswi ngendlela yakhe uJesu. Bafundiswa ngendlela bafundiswe ngayo from the Bible school. So akafuni uJesu, akafuni ukuthi abantwana bakhe baye eBible school. Kodwa angeke akumukise ezihogweni for that, because abazalwane, they are always repenting, bayaxolisa. So it's a good God, he forgives a lot. But prefer ukuthi umfundisi athi mina I'm a servant of God, kodwa uphume eBible school. You see? Because anybody can be a doctor, anyone can be a police, because ufundisile to become that. So uNkulunkulu uthume abo Moses abayanga eBible school, and uyenza into ezinkulu ngabo. Abo Moses, abo Isaiah, Samuel, bonke bekakhuluma nabo with his own voice, his own words. So bebahambisa indaba le abanike yona. That's why anything ibhalwe in the Bible ikhulunywe yila abantu labo abaprofeti bakhe. iBhayibheli inkulu kanje, they have spoken what the Lord has sent them to say to his own children. You see, they never went to school. That's why abaprofeti labo bebakhuza abantwana baka-Israyeli. But uNkulunkulu uthi uzonishayela into esoso, yekani lokhu nalokhu, yekani amadlozi, yekani lezi zinto, bebangafundi uNkulunkulu bekababulala. Makababulala bagule kube nokufa, like diseases, maybe phatha abantwana baka-Israyeli bafe, abantu abaningi bafe. That was the punishment, because they disobey God. You see? So ke abafundisi bamanje nabaprofeti bamanje abakhuza abantu, baprofitela abantu izinto lezo abantu bafuna ukuzizwa. You see? Yes, they don't rebuke a sin. They don't even rebuke the pastors if pastors are wrong. You see? Kunabafundisi bayenza izinto abazenzi kahle, bashumayela. So kunabo mama badala owabo baba badala esontweni balanda umfundisi, but umfundisi kulamalanga asitakuthuli kahle, uyenza so bamkhuza eceleni. So abafuna ukukhuzwa labo baba, because ibandla lakhe le. So the more angafuna ukukhuzwa ezulwini bayabhala ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhethe laba bayomkhuza, yena akafuna ukulalela umfundisi. So in that way uNkulunkulu sekasusile ukuthi lo akasasebenzeli mina, angamthumanga, abantwana bami bayangilalela, bayangisaba. So uNkulunkulu akajabuleli abafundisi abaya eBible school, yena uyabafundisa ngezwi. Once you read the Bible comes into you, so the devil gets out, because sekugcwala izwi likaNkulunkulu. Abantu bashumayela estrateni, estimeleni, anyway bashumayela izwi, and abantu bayabayeza ukuthi bathini, because that is the word of the Lord. But Bible school will teach you in their own method. Okay, ukuthi sihamba kanje, and ibandla liyagcwala, but abantu baya ezihogweni.
Sure.
Wabo baya ezihogweni. It's like that.